Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you use the same Google account for YouTube and YouTube Music so permissions align. Once signed in, open YouTube Music and choose whether you'll use free audio library tracks or music premium content. This matters for downloads and monetization. Make sure you check the license type immediately. Creative Commons allows reuse with attribution. Royalty-free may have channel restrictions, and premium tracks cannot be used in uploads unless permitted. Next, locate your track. Search by mood, genre, or exact title and apply filters for duration and instrumentals so it fits your edit. Once you preview, mark timecodes where the audio complements cuts and transitions because precise alignment saves edit time. Then capture the license details, track name, artist, license type, and required attribution text, so you can add correct credits in the video description. This prevents claims and ensures your use is compliant. Finally, import the approved track into your video editor and align waveforms to match cuts, lowering music under dialogue and applying fades for smooth starts and ends. Once exported, paste the exact attribution into your YouTube description and choose monetization settings that reflect the license. This avoids automatic takedowns. If a Content ID claim appears, inspect the match, then promptly dispute with license proof or replace the audio. If problems persist, recheck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.